Hello fellas, on my table is a Milwaukee impact driver and it's not holding bit. So it's definitely something missing here. Let's try to remove the spring ring. Got a spring ring, and normally here we want to find the spring and the washer, but not this time. Okay, we have the spring here and the ball is missing, so definitely I will remove the spring, and you can see the gap for the spring to be here. I have a nice new spring. Okay. Spring bump must go in a handle hole. Then we can press the spring down and insert the ball. When the ball is inserted, we are inserting our sleeve. Now we know that we need a spring here, we need a washer. We'll check for the washer. It's a little bit big here. Yeah. Okay, we'll find a smaller one. Is this a smaller one? Yeah, or not. I think I found a spare piece. Just need to clean it a little bit. The spring, the washer, the spring ring, just making sure that the spring ring is in a gap on the anvil, and I think that's all. It's holding the bit. Easy, cheap, almost, and everyone can make it. Thank you for watching. Bye, thumbs up.